Are you thinking about becoming an Uber or Lyft driver? Are you just starting out? Or have you been driving for a little while? Let's talk about 40 things that you need to know as a rideshare driver. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the RideShare Guy. If you're new to the channel, this channel is all about the gig economy, whether it's rideshare, food delivery, last mile delivery, and more. Anything that can help you make some more money, whether it's a side hustle, full-time, or in between. So make sure you subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. Now, driving Uber and Lyft can be a great way to make extra money or your main income if that's what you choose. But if you don't know certain things, it could actually cost you money and you may not even realize it. Let's talk about 40 different things that you need to know to make more profitable rides, set yourself apart from others, make more money, and just be smart on the road. So the first tip, sign up for Uber and Lyft. And if there's any other platforms available in your area, make sure you sign up for them also. Take advantage of any new driver bonuses and referral links. In most markets, Uber is usually busier than Lyft, not always, but most of the time. And you just want to make sure though you are on both platforms because it gives you a greater chance at getting a ride request coming in. And having a lot less downtime is going to put more money in your pocket. Number 4, keep your car clean. Number 5, figure out your car costs. Know how much it is to drive per mile so you know what rides are going to be profitable or not when they're coming in. Number 6, you don't have to take every ride. Only take the rides that are worth it to you, that are going to be profitable, that make sense to you, and take you where you want to go. Number 7, don't chase random surge. Pay attention to your market when you're driving, even when you're offline. Take screenshots of everything, see where it's busy, when it's busy, and then chase the normal surge that you can take advantage of because you know it's going to be busy there versus not. Number 8, as a rideshare driver, you are going to put a lot of miles on your car. Number 9, deduct your car costs and your taxes from your earnings. So when you have a breakdown or it comes tax time, you're going to be covered. Number 10, track your earnings and screenshot everything. Glitches happen way more than you think, and you need to have those screenshots and data in order to make sure you can state your case. Number 11 should be pretty common, but you got to know it's going to be busy in city centers and downtown districts versus surrounding suburbs and much busier than rural areas. So if you're out in the suburbs or rural area, you might want to venture into a city where it's going to be a little bit busier for you. 12, use the filters that are given to you by these apps so you can hit your bonuses quicker and be selective on the rides that you may want to take or where you want to go. 13, nights are usually busier than the days, but nights are also less safe than driving during the day. 14, in most circumstances, rideshare pays better than food delivery. 15, know where the restrooms are available in your area. And take note of the ones that are clean, especially if you're going to be in those particular areas more so than other parts of your city. Number 16, know and understand insurances. You need to know your own insurance. You need to know how the app's insurance work. And also you need to see if you need to have some sort of gap coverage or rideshare rider with your own personal insurance. As a rideshare driver, you are not above the law. So you cannot take more passengers than what's allowed for the ride type and the car that you have. You cannot take unaccompanied minors, and you can also not take children without car seats. So make sure you know your laws and stick to them. Whether passengers try to pull a fast one on you or not, stick to your guns. It's your car, it's your ass. Now, unaccompanied minors does not include Uber Teen, which is available in several markets. If you're opted in, you should know those rules too. Number 18, take breaks. Make sure every hour or so you get up, you get out of your car, walk around for a minute or two, and then you go back and drive. Number 19, eat healthy and be active elsewhere. Number 20, check the passenger app to see where other drivers are in relation to you. Number 21, never drive around aimlessly. Always have your goals in mind and pull over and wait for the next ride. Unless you're repositioning yourself, pull over, wait for the next ride. It'll come. Number 22, have an extra phone charger or two for passengers. 23, keep your phone plugged in. 24, make sure you have a phone mount. 25, earn more by using things like Play Octopus tablets where it can help you earn more while you're driving. Number 26, sell things that you can in order to earn some extra money. Number 27, use the passenger apps. Get to know the passenger app, the experience, and take a couple of rides on both platforms. 28, Make sure you talk to other drivers in your area. Number 29, subscribe to the RideShare Guy channel. Make sure you check out our Uber and Lyft content and tune in live Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific for our weekly show, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself, where we talk all things rideshare and help you become a better driver. Number 30, make sure you sign up for the Maximum Rideshare Profits course and use the link in the description for 50% off that course. 31, you need a dash camera. Whether it's an unruly passenger, whether it's a false report, an accident, or something else, you need to have a dash camera. Number 32, use the information that the apps give you to make more informed decisions when out on the road and where you're driving. Number 33, use a mileage tracking app. Number 34, use an income tracking app so it can help you track all of your income across all platforms. Number 35, get an unlimited car wash pass. Number 36, make sure you track all of your miscellaneous spending when it comes to rideshare driving. Anything that's rideshare related, make sure you track that expense, like a car wash pass, or food when you're online that you're getting to eat, or something else that may be an expense when you're driving. Number 37, tipping happens way less frequently than you may think. Number 38, you are going to get low ratings. Whether it's a low rating or a 1-star from a passenger and you don't know why, it's going to happen because some people suck and some people just rate low. Don't worry about it. It's averaged out greatly over the last 500 rides. But if you see a big trend where you're getting lower ratings, you may want to address that. But for the one-offs, don't worry about those. Number 39, anytime you go out rideshare driving, make sure you have a plan and a goal in mind. And number 40, use any other apps that can help you make more informed decisions when you're out driving. All right, so that is 40 tips that all rideshare drivers need to know to help you stand out from the rest, because there's a lot of drivers who aren't following those tips and their earnings are going to reflect that. So what other tips do you have in mind? Make sure you put in the comments below. And if you have more questions on any of the ones that I had mentioned, make sure you put in the comments. All right, everyone, drive smart, drive safe. We'll see you in the next one.